Ang tanong lagi sa atin, pag pinag-uusapan ng empowered consumerism, okay, legal ba? My simple request to all of you, before you join this kind of business, alamin niyo muna po kung talagang legal ang kumpanya. Okay, kasi nga po, pag tayo po sumali po dito, definitely if you will become part of our community, one or the other po talaga, syempre po, hard-earned money po ang ating bibitawan. Now, I would like to inform you, naku po ang ating pong kumpanya, napakarami na pong awards, recognitions po ang na-receive po nito all over the world. And as a matter of fact, we even belong to the top 1,000 highest tax-paying company po sa buong Pilipinas. Ganun kaganda po ang empowered consumerism. Maliwanag po tayo doon. And sabi nga po, Doc, ano pang kailangan po natin sabihin ito? Ay naku, isa pang kailangan sabihin, 2 Guinness Books of World Record, meron po tayo, DTI recognition, SEC registration, BIA recognition, kompletong-kompleto po yan. Now, to continue with, what else? Ito na po. Why are we so successful? It's mainly because of the partners of our company. Okay? World-class partners po ito. Ano po itong mga to? Number 1, Nature's Way, and of course, number 2, Wither. These are multi-billion US dollar companies. Pangatlo po is of course DSM, a multi-billion euro company, and finally, AMS Life, a multi-billion yen company. Kaya naman po ang ating kumpanya Empowered Consumerism is a multi-billion peso company, and that's empowered consumerism. Grabe, no? Ngayon, Doc, ito ka lang. Maganda ba yung mga produkto? Yan ang pinag-uusapan natin ngayon. The wonderful products of the company. Ito na po yan. Pakita ko na po sa inyo. Siyempre po, if you're gonna ask my medical opinion, okay, a sure consultant po, still the best of the best is C24/7. If you're looking for a product that contains 22,000 phytonutrients, 29 vitamins, minerals, and trace minerals, amino acids, green plants, super green food spirulina blend, yung fruits and vegetables po, more than the requirements given by WHO, 12 po yan. At pag sinabi mga mushrooms, nako, anti-inflammatory, antibacteria, antiviral, antifungal, antioxidant, anti-cancer, you name it, we have it here. Now, ano pa pang meron? 12 of enzymes, herbs and specialty nutrients, and 10 essential omega fatty acid that can help lower down your blood cholesterol. Grabe, no? Iba talaga. Ngayon, dagdagan pa na po. Meron pa tayong 5 anti-aging and of course, 4 longevity polyphenols, which happens to be the components of a wonderful product na ang pangalan po Restore Life. So what our company did is, of course, pinagsama-sama po niya all of the 4 longevity polyphenols of Restore Life, plus 5 anti-aging, plus all of the components of Complete were added up to finally come out with the best herbal product in the world na ang pangalan po C24/7 of Empowered Consumerism. Grabe, no? Iba talaga. Now, hindi lang po yun. Ngayon, this will be fast. Of course, to the point, I'm gonna introduce the other products of the company and you will be surprised kung gaano po kaganda itong mga to. Diretso po natin ang usapan. Ito na po yan. Our former flagship product when we started 14 years ago, Complete Phyto Energizer. Okay, it contains 16,000 phytonutrients. Now, Doc, yung C24/7 you've just mentioned contains 22,000 phytonutrients. Tama po. Kaya doon pa lang po alam mo na that C24/7 is better than Complete by 6,000 phytonutrients. Maliwanag po. And I know what you're thinking, Doc, taga lang. Since all of the components of Complete are present in C24/7, why the need for C24? Why the need for Complete? Well, isimplihan ko po. Pregnant clients, lactating mom, those taking blood-thinning synthetic medications, those clients suffering from problems of their reproductive organs for the ladies, and those taking blood-thinning synthetic medicines like aspirin and clopidogrel, with those kidney problems and liver problems, the mga kliyente, you go for Complete. That will be the safer product for you. Are we clear? Okay, good. Now, Doc, Restore Life. As the word implies, restore your life. Rejuvenate your life. Sabi nga po na, Doc, iba yata yung dating nito, iba ho talaga. Because according to medical studies, through DNA repair, it can prolong our lives by more than 30%. Yon! Hindi lang yon. Can help normalize your blood sugar, your blood cholesterol, can break down your fats to become energy, very good for your nervous system. And why do I take the product every day? With a high level of antioxidants, anti-cancer properties, and that is Restore Life. And let me repeat, the 4 longevity polyphenols of Restore Life, plus all of the components of Complete, with 5 anti-aging were added up to finally come out with the best herbal product in the world, and that is C24/7 of Empowered Consumerism. Very good. Now, ganito kasimple po yan eh. Okay? Let me try to clarify this issue. Pakinggan niyo po ito. If we're gonna take care of our body, might as well take care of the body of your young kids. Para po sa mga bata, the counterpart of C24/7 and Complete is of course KIDI 24/7. Galing! Naku, alam niyo po, napakaganda po ng produktong ito. Bakit po? Okay, number one, they will enjoy the taste. Why? Para lang po silang kumakain ng gummies. Okay? Napakasarap po. But everything used were all organic or natural. Safe na safe po yan. What else do I need to mention? 14 vitamins and minerals, and of course, 26 fruits and vegetables. Sabi, di ba, Doc, 26? Hindi ba pinagit mo kanina yung C24/7? Saka complete 12/12, 24? Tama po. Mas mataas pa to. Mas mataas pa. Okay? Mas mataas pa po ng dalawa. So it contains 26 all in all. Why? To compensate with the loss of the kids when you talk about fruits and vegetables. Okay? Now. Okay? Now. She's here? Is she here?
Yes.
Is she here? Oh, okay, so as much as I would like to talk, gusto ko pa kung saan talaga magsalita. But again, nandito lang po yung ating pong speaker. Okay?